If you're going to take the bed bar off of a Toro Greensmaster 1600 or maybe a GM 1000, this mower right here is a GM 1000. So if you want to take the bed bar off because you need to like replace a bed knife, or you want to replace the reel, or whatever it is that you're trying to do, I'll show you how to do that. So this bolt right here, or this nut that's right there, just loosen that nut and it'll loosen these washers. I think these are called Belleville washers or something like that. I'll have to look that up. I could be wrong. But they just spring this washer right here onto the bed bar and it just holds it in place. That's all it does. These just tighten up against that to make sure that it doesn't move. So loosen that, which will loosen these up and allow the bed bar to come out. And then you want to take the bed bar bolts off. So you would end up unscrewing these and taking these guys out, if you can get them out. So they'll be in there. You'll have a plastic washer, a metal washer, and then on the inside, in between the frame and the bed bar, you should have a plastic washer and a metal washer also. So you'll see that whenever we take it out. And so the plastic washer will go up against the frame. And then we'll come over here and we'll do the same thing. So with this engine still being on there, I probably can't get to that guy right there to loosen up this big nut. Sure enough, I can't get in there, which is fine. So we'll just loosen this. Take this bolt out here for the bed bar. And then when we get this out, now once again, you're going to have plastic washer, regular washer, and you're also going to have two nuts. All right, so this bolt is going to tighten all the way into the bed bar, and then this will just be on the outside. And once you get this tight, this will be like your snug to keep everything from moving. So you'll have two different ones. So this one first, this one second. Now we have the bolts out. This thing should come out. So let's get something and try and knock that bed bar out, because I couldn't get this nut right here loose. So you should be able to do something like this. Okay, got that knocked down a little bit. There it is, falls right out. So now you'll be able to get underneath there and take it out. So it'll come right out. And then when you get it out, you'll be able to take it out and replace your bed knife if you want to and put it back. So pretty simple. Really, there's not a whole lot to it. Once again, on the inside, you're going to have two washers, one plastic, one metal. So you'll have washers here and washers there. There's also a plastic bushing that goes in right there. You want to check that to make sure that bushing is okay, because you can't have any movement in there. It's because you don't want your bed knife moving around while your reel is spinning and you're running the mower. So check that plastic bushing also. If you need this plastic bushing, or if you need a bed knife, or you need any of the parts that go for the bed bar itself, like the bed knife screws, the bed knife, even the bed bar, you can order the bed bar on rnr.com. So R&R products. So just Google R&R products and you'll be able to order all this stuff, even if you need the plastic bushing.